Investors are gaining confidence in Indonesia after Wednesday's massive elections. Financial markets rose as President Joko Widodo looks set to secure a comfortable win against his rival Prabowo Subianto. So Kina Alwaria has this from Jakarta.
Indonesia's currency and its financial markets are looking positive after the country's biggest single-day elections in history. As President Joko Widodo is on course to win his re-election, analysts are brushing aside concerns, especially for investors.
It shows that market seems to be confident on the next term of Jokowi for the next 5 years because the investors appreciated the achievement of the government in the last 5 years by giving structural reform to the economy, by do the regulation of the policy, and by do some streamlining the policy. So I think this is a positive news for the capital market and investors.
The outcome of this year's election is clearly favorable from a market perspective.
Stocks in Jakarta reached 2.3%, the highest since February 2018. The currency also rose 0.6% to 14,000 rupiah per US dollar, a 7-week high.
Soon entering his second term, Joko Widodo's administration has plans to revive Indonesia's economic growth. The country is still far from the target of 7% that Joko Widodo set during his first term, with growth just hovering above 5% year-on-year.
Maybe we think that 7% is too high to achieve the target because we know that in the last 10 years, the commodity boom has ended. So basically, because our economy basically highly depend on the economy, on the commodity, when the commodity boom ended, so the economy will be impacted negatively. So basically, we now want to change the directions by changing the structure of the economy by not too dependent on the commodity.
Joshua says Indonesia should focus on physical and non-physical infrastructures by increasing the quality of human resources in the country. By doing that, the productivity of Indonesia's economy will increase, along with the income per capita for the workers. Kina Alwaria, CGTN, Jakarta.